Hello and welcome back to another tech tip tutorial. In this video I will show you guys how you can exceed buying the weekly limits on exchanges for Canadian citizens. I had this problem happen to me. I tried to purchase 1,000 bitcoins worth and $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, it gives you a $375 limit onto purchasing your cryptocurrency. Now, the problem here is that most of the exchanges have a weekly limit, and if you're trying to get in on cryptocurrency, there's quite a bit of process for Canadians to go from your bank account into a crypto network so you can transfer coins and do all of those things. And what I'm going to show you guys right now is I'm going to show you guys an app that just came out in Canada, and you can actually send money into the app in Canadian dollars, and you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin, and you can send it into any cryptocurrency wallet or digital wallet you want, and you can exchange it, you can trade it, you can do whatever you want. So if you guys like the video, stay tuned and I will show you guys how to do it. Hello and welcome back, guys. So I will be showing this on my phone, or what I did was I went into Play Store and I searched for Shakepay. So once you guys download Shakepay, make sure when you guys are activating, you guys use the link below, and you guys can use my referral code so we both get $10 each when you guys spend $100 worth of crypto. So make sure you use my referral code. Before I forget, I want to add one great thing about Shakepay is every day that you log into the app, you can actually shake your phone and you earn what's called Shakepay tokens, and that's actually translated straight into Bitcoin. So I obviously did it today, but you guys can see how this can stack up and you can earn money. So now that we got these Shakepay options, we're going to want to go into our wallet down here, and we're going to want to add our funds. So as you guys can see here, you just hit add funds at the top, and I'm going to be using Interac E-Transfer. Just like you transfer all your friends, it's pretty much the same thing. And you add this email, funding@Shakepay, and then you're going to have your own custom username and your own custom security question. Make sure you put in the right questions, as the payment will not go through if it's not correct. So once it's gone through, it's going to look something like this. You're going to have an Interac E-Transfer coming in with the amount that you paid, and then once you are ready to buy the coins that you want, you hit the trade button down at the bottom here, and whatever amount of money you have put in, you just type it in. Say 1,000 will give us 0.065 of Bitcoin. Or if you want to buy Ethereum, you can buy Ethereum. Same thing, right? So once you are into this platform, you can send it, and you buy the Ethereum. Just hit the buy button down below here, and then you'll be able to see your transactions on Ethereum, and they're going to look something like this, right? So it says you bought the thing, and then as you guys can see here, I sent my Ethereum on the digital wallet, and the way that I did it was I went up here. So if I click here right at the top, send funds, and then I type in my digital wallet, and then once it's ready, you just hit send, and that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.